Hey everyone, and welcome back to Data Recovery Advisor. Today I've got a Samsung Galaxy S9 with me, and as you can see, the screen is broken and the touch isn't working. I have some important data on this phone that I can't access right now. But no worries, I've found few reliable ways to recover data from an Android phone with a broken screen. If you're facing a similar issue, stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to recovering your data too. So without any delay, let's start. First, let's start with the safest option. If you have automatic backup set up, some of your data might already be saved in your Google Photos or Google Drive account. Open your computer on a different device, go to Google Photos website or app and log in with the same Google account linked to your broken phone. You should be able to find photos, videos and some documents there. The same goes for the Google Drive. Check for any files, documents or backup there that might help you recover important data. If you don't see anything, don't worry, we have more options to try. If your phone has an SD card, there's a good chance some of your photos, videos or other files were saved there. Carefully remove the SD card from your broken phone and insert it into another device, like a different phone or your computer. You can use an SD card adapter if needed, and then access the files directly. It's a simple way to get back a lot of your photos and videos without dealing with a broken screen. If your Android screen is broken but the phone still powers on, you might be able to recover data using a tool called Screen Copy. Here's how to do it step by step. Confirm that USB debugging was enabled on your phone before the screen broke. This is essential for connecting. Open a browser, search scrcpy GitHub and download the latest version for your operating system. Extract the downloaded file. Copy the extracted files, go to the C drive and create a new folder for them. Paste the files into this new folder. Copy the folder path where you paste the Screen Copy files. Search for environment variables in Windows Search and select Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on Environment Variables, New under System Variables, name it ADB and paste the file path you copied. Open the folder with Screen Copy files, right-click and choose Open Terminal. In Terminal, type CMD. Press Enter, then type scrcpy and press Enter again. The phone screen should now be mirrored on your computer, allowing you to access files. If Screen Copy doesn't work, another powerful option is using data recovery software. This can help you recover deleted or inaccessible data directly from your phone's internal memory or SD card. One of the best options available is Stellar Data Recovery for Android. Stellar is a user-friendly and powerful tool, making it perfect for this type of situation. Simply install Stellar Data Recovery on your computer, connect your broken phone and let Stellar scan for recoverable files. The software can find various data types like photos, videos, messages, contacts and more. It allows you to preview and select the files you want to recover. Stellar is a highly recommended tool, especially if you're looking for a reliable and secure way to retrieve data without much hassle. Links are in the description if you want to give it a try. Finally, if none of these methods work and your data is critical, you might consider getting the screen replaced as a last resort. Replacing the screen will allow you to regain full access to your phone and recover the data you need. You can either go to an authorized service center or a local repair shop, depending on what's available and your budget. While this option can be costly, it's a reliable way to access data on a broken screen phone if all the other methods have failed. So those are the top ways to recover data from an Android phone with a broken screen. Start with easy methods like checking Google Photos and Drive, then move on to more advanced solutions like Screen Copy, data recovery software like Stellar, and if needed, replacing the screen. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and recovery tutorials. Good luck and I'll see you in the next video.